Hi, I'm Oscar Saraceres. I am the Teen Court Coordinator for Otero County in Alamogordo, alternative sentencing program for our juveniles from ages 12 to 18, first-time offenders. What we do, the Teen Court program, is we allow them to be able to clear their record of their first offense. We do process them through, and while they're in teen court, we allow them to be jurors and become part of the court system so that they see what side of the court, how it's taken care of. We use volunteers as judges, bailiffs, and court clerks. And today we have a special guest as one of our teen court judges, and that is Scott Key, our district attorney.
Good morning. Today before the court is State versus Abigail Lambert, charges of battery on a household member. Counsel, will you introduce yourself? And your client today is this Miss Lambert?
You need to answer yes, don't lie, please.
And is your parent here? Would you introduce your parent? Ma'am, what's your name?
Kim Lambert, Kim Hunt.
Let me ask Ms. Lambert, do you recognize anyone or do you know anyone on the jury? Okay, are you familiar with the procedures of teen court? Anyone on the jury know the defendant or the accused? All right, counsel, and with your client, would you please rise, please? Please rise. Will you introduce yourself to the jury?
Abigail Lambert.
Okay, and how old are you?
13.
All right. Ms. Lambert, do you understand that by being accepted into teen court, that you have recognized that you are guilty to the charges of battery on a household member, in an offense which carries a possible jail sentence, but that this being your first offense, that you've been permitted by the JPPO here in Otero County to participate in and appear before the teen court to be sentenced. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and do you admit your guilt? And do you agree to abide by any sentence conferred by this jury?
Yes.
Ma'am, will you approach the witness stand, please, and stand and raise your right hand, please? Ms. Lambert? All right, will you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm by the penalty of perjury to state the truth and the whole truth, so help you God? All right, please speak up.
Yes.
Okay, please have a seat. The prosecution and the defense now have an opportunity to make an opening statement to the jury. Mr. Prosecutor, do you want to proceed?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, the jury about to the case of Abigail Lambert, charged with battery on a household member, has to choose from both sides of the story and Judge Conan. Thank you.
Mr. Defense Attorney?
Ladies and gentlemen, the jury about to hear the case of Abigail Lambert, charged with battery on a household member. I ask you to listen to both sides of the story and judge accordingly. Thank you.
Mr. Prosecution, will you read the police report or summary of the police report, please?
I stand.
Please stand.
On 3 dispatched to the Boys and Girls Club at 201 Dale Scott in reference to a domestic between a mother and a daughter. Upon arrival, I made contact with Lori Black, the reporting party. Ms. Black stated that a fundraising dance was taking place at the club. Ms. Black stated a mother, Kim Hunt, had come to pick up her daughter, Abigail Lambert, 13 years old, and Abigail refused to leave. Ms. Black stated when Ms. Hunt entered the gym in the club, Abigail hid from her and then crawled underneath the bleachers in the north side of the gym. Ms. Black stated Abigail had to be forcibly removed from beneath the bleachers. I spoke with Ms. Hunt, who stated that she had told Abigail she could stay at the club until 10 o'clock p.m. Ms. Hunt stated she came to pick up her daughter and she refused to. Ms. Hunt stated Abigail began yelling and crawled under the bleachers. Ms. Hunt stated she reached under the bleachers to pull Abigail out, and Abigail began kicking and hitting her. Ms. Hunt stated Abigail was finally removed from the bleachers. Abigail appeared very upset and was reluctant to state what had happened. She eventually stated she had not wanted to leave and had hidden under the bleachers. She stated she may have struck Ms. Hunt when she tried to remove her. Abigail was counseled on her behavior. Ms. Hunt and Abigail were advised that Abigail would be referred to JPO for battery on a household member.
Go ahead and present your case, Mr. Davis. Give an avenue to speak up, please, and try to project your voice out to the jury.
And what happened?
Well, I was supposed to go home at 10 and I had to talk to somebody.
Try to speak up. Just tell your story.
I didn't want to leave because I had to settle something with somebody. And I was scared, so I hid.
Okay, when you started yelling and crawling the bleachers, isn't that all embarrassing? You didn't think that was at all embarrassing? To your mom, maybe? Other questions?
Mr. Defense Attorney, do you have any questions for your client?
So, were you punished for this offense?
Yes, I got the rifle taken away and I have
Is there anything else? So do you actually believe you should be punished for this? Do you have any like community service or something? Or how did you join this? So, did you ever get in trouble outside of school before? Or right in school?
I got access for children.
The school you go to? How you play?
Questions? Thank you. Can you redirect